One thing that absolutely every PS5 owner should know is that you can actually get free games just by playing games you already own. If you don't already know, Sony has a loyalty program called PlayStation Stars, which gives you points every time you start playing a game on your console. Once you have enough points, you can redeem them for your favorite game or even free PSN credit. The best part is that you don't even need a PS Plus subscription for this to work. In fact, you can even get a PS Plus subscription for free by redeeming points earned through the PlayStation Stars program. Now keep in mind that this isn't available in every region. However, if you're in any of the regions shown on the screen, you should be good to go. All you need to do is download the PlayStation app on your phone and you should see the Join PlayStation Stars button on your screen. Simply click on it and follow the instructions to enroll into the program. In here, you'll find weekly or monthly campaigns that help you earn collectibles or points, and these tasks are usually simple, like playing this month's PlayStation Plus monthly games or games that you already own, or even free-to-play games from the PlayStation Store. These points can then be redeemed for a game in the rewards tab or for PSN Store credit, which adds to your PSN wallet balance. One important thing to remember is that you must manually start the campaign you want to participate in. It's not automatic. You will only earn points if you activate the campaign first. I hope you found this quick tip useful. If you did, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful PlayStation content. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.